We have new information from Elmar, who was supposed to be the organizer for the venue in Baku. So yesterday and a couple of days ago, I kept on saying that my belief is the Baku event is really ready, it's genuinely available, and the only reason why it isn't happening, the only reason why Robert Baxter isn't making any announcement, it's because he cannot come out publicly to say that we want to go there, but we are not able to convince Devon to go there. And without Devon, there is no event. Those have always been my words. It was quite clear to me that Robert Baxter is unsuccessfully trying to convince Devon to go to Baku. This is what Elmar said. Robert just informed me that he will organize Baku only if Devon is on board to pull Vitaly. Once again, 140 nights of free hotel room. 140 nights? What does that even mean? Why would they need to stay there for such a long time? Free competition venue and sponsorship money are ready for Baku event. Come on, Devon, pull Vitaly. 20 other athletes can't compete because you don't want to compete against Vitaly in Baku. Again, he has just tagged all of the European arm wrestlers. I don't think he has even tagged Devon Larratt here. What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Why hasn't he tagged Robert Baxter into this? It's kind of confusing to me.
Yeah. So I see this crap, and look at. I'll just say, look at. I get my matches from the league. Okay. East versus West is where I arm wrestle. All this stuff about Baku, there's not even. This is whatever you want to call it. Why do you think that East versus West isn't tagged? Why do you think I'm not tagged? This is some crazy stuff, okay? Yes, there's a rift in arm wrestling right now. It's ridiculous. It's a fucking joke. It's terrible.
Anyways, I think my other prediction that Devon doesn't want to go there because he has realized that all of the paychecks of the European arm wrestlers are depending on him. So Devon wants to teach them a lesson. If they mess with Devon, the food that they put on their plates with arm wrestling because of arm wrestling is also going to be affected. And I think he's being pretty successful at it so far. Do you agree with this? Mention your thoughts in the comment section. And should Devon go there to pull Vitaly? Or is he making the right decision to stay there and not arm wrestle? It looks like Hermes Gasparini is willing to go to the dark side of arm wrestling if that is what's required to defeat Levan. Hermes said that he got a little bit emotional after the match, especially after seeing how much support he got from the fans despite losing to Levan Saginashvili. He's making no excuses at all. He mentioned that Levan was just too strong and he probably needs at least 2 to 3 years to challenge him back again. He said Levan was too massive, he was too strong, he was in the best shape of his life. The weight difference is way too much. He isn't complaining about that since he's also a super heavyweight. That's why instead of complaining, he's willing to go to 140 or 145 kilos in order to match Levan's power. That's what he believes is required if anyone in this world wants to challenge Levan. Below 140 kilos, Hermes believes it's not possible for anyone. But he also mentioned that he loves himself too much, he loves his health too much and he doesn't want to risk his health. That's why it will be only for a short period. Only once he's going to go up to that weight to challenge Levan. If that doesn't work out, then maybe he won't do that ever again. Hermes had no injury or no pain after the Levan match, so that is a good sign. And now he wants to change his training. He will still be focusing on his back pressure, but most of the focus now will be on hand strength, pronation, riser, these sorts of things. And not just simple workouts to strengthen these things. He will be doing all of that with a more open hand. Because Levan's hand is too massive, the handles that he was using to train his hand were not big enough. They were not big enough to match Levan's hand size. Hermes also addressed Devon's call out or Devon's request to have a match on August 15th. Hermes said he won't make the same mistake which he did the last time. He accepted the match on such a short notice and lost to Devon. He won't be doing that now. Thanks for watching, like the video and I'll see you again.